What's up, Tim Sykes here. A lot of people ask me, how do you find these big winners? This video is gonna talk about it. This is how you find the biggest winners every day. So study up. All right, so I just showed you about one student who made $6,500 on this crazy stock, YECO. Just got this comment too, I totally forgot about this, from Pura Vida 1990 on Instagram, one of my students. And he says, or she says, my bad, female students, props to you guys. Trading YECO today, amazing book, thank you. Also used StocksToTrade scanner, was entering the stock at $4.80. As you can understand, Timothy Sykes, I'm a very happy woman right now. I don't know what she sold at, but like I said, you know, in my last video, YECO went all the way up to 13 by day's end, 17 the next day. So if you're entering it at 480, you double, you triple your money potentially in a day. And she's using StocksToTrade. This is why I say, you know, click the link just below this video, use StocksToTrade. A lot of people I saw all over Twitter, all over the internet, had never heard of YECO. It wasn't up on their scanners. These penny stocks, frankly, are kind of weird. CNBC doesn't talk about them. You know, Bloomberg, Wall Street Journal, all these big media companies don't talk about these low price stocks because frankly, they think it's like all manipulated. They think that it's too risky for the average investor and trader. I agree, it is risky, but I don't think it's too risky. Let's not forget, you know, just a few years ago, all these mutual funds that were supposedly so safe, they dropped 50% in a year when the overall markets dropped. So you might think you're safe in mutual funds, you're not. If the market crashes, you're just crashing in a diversified way. Penny stocks are risky, and it's even riskier to trade penny stocks without knowledge. So this is why I teach. Some people in my industry would say, it's too risky, you'll never be able to teach these addicts, don't even do it. When I first got started teaching, several well-known financial experts were like, you're irresponsible for even teaching this. And I'm like, what the fuck? Like, these people with just a few $1,000s to their name, they don't have a choice. If you invest in mutual funds, let's say you have $5,000 to your name, 1 year you might make 10%. That's an average return, actually above average. You might make $500 on your money. Next year, now you have $5,500, you make 10%, now you make $550. So after 2 years, you make a lousy $1,000. Are you fucking kidding me? That's not what the stock market should be. For me and my top students now, I've proven a lot of the financial experts wrong, you can grow your account exponentially in 1, 2, 3, 4 years. It's not rocket science, but there is some knowledge concerned here. So Pura Vida mentioned amazing book because she was responding to one of my stories, the complete penny stock course. This is a must-read book. Click the link just below this video. So you have two things, two pieces of homework. Number one, get StocksToTrade, start using the scanners. There's 40 plus scans built in so you can find these hot stocks like YECO. Secondly, read the book, The Complete Penny Stock Course. It's written by my student Jamil, who also programmed StocksToTrade. He's an engineer. He got a little fed up with how disorganized I am. I'm sorry, Jamil, and all the engineers out there. You know, I am disorganized. I'm trying just to keep up with all of these plays. We've been in a 10-year bull market ever since I got started teaching. I am praying for a crash. I am praying for a break where I can catch up. But every day, there are these ridiculous plays. YECO went from the 1s to the 17s in 24 hours. Today, as I'm filming this, PTI went from the 3s to the 10s. And it's not like these are illiquid penny stocks. I know I'm gonna get some comments like, oh yeah, these stocks go up because like one chat room is buying it. PTI traded, YECO, first of all, traded 10 million shares at like in the teens today, so over $100 million. PTI traded 93 million shares, and it's trading at $9.50 right now. By the time you watch this video, it'll probably be half that. These stocks almost all crash eventually. Don't just hold and hope. Learn to take profits along the way. But 93 million shares at around $9 a share, maybe $8 a share. I mean, we're talking 70, 80, $100 million worth. YECO, $100+ million worth, traded in 1 day. You need to get your slice. And I don't know where Pura Vida 1990 sold her shares at, but you know, she had the upside. Even if she did not take profits perfectly at the top, she either doubled or tripled her money, and it sounds like she's very happy. She found it using StocksToTrade. She used the rules that I talk about in the complete penny stock course. The book, yes, is written by my student, but I wrote the foreword, and the whole book is based on rules that I've created. So leave a comment underneath this video. Let me know what you think about StocksToTrade. Let me know what you think about the complete penny stock course, and learn to recognize this is possible for the average person if you study. If you don't study, it's very risky, okay? Life is very risky if you're not meticulous. So be meticulous. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.